Hi guys, I'm LEEPSMART. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Immortal Business Manager. Let's check this Business Managers. As you can see, this Business Manager's ad account is disabled. Let's check the account quality. Check the test bin. It's a restricted one. This is the first thing you need to prepare. You need a restricted BN, and it's without ad account. You can see there is no ad account inside. And the second, you need a reinstated profile with an active ad account. And I have this ad account, this Facebook profile. It's advertising access reinstated, and there are personal active ad account, as you can see. After prepare these two things, you need a code. You can find the code here. Code. Click on it and copy, and you can copy this code. In the next step, we are going to set a guide and open the console, and we are going to here, paste the code here. In the next step, we are going to use this ad account. We are going to click the code, click the ad ID, and we are going to paste it here. And the next step, we are going to run the code. Enter, and the code done. The next step, we are going to refresh. As you can see, now we can have the ad able, and also we can control pixel. We can set up ad, and let's take a more step to test. Now our restricted business manager is become Immortal Business Manager. As you can see, now it's become a Immortal Business Manager. Yes, you can see more ad. It's under test BN, this ad account. As you can see, we can create ad now. This is called BN1, Immortal BN1. We can create conversion ad now. If you want, you can come to FB for sales to get it. If you also need reinstated profile, you can also buy in here. You can buy by this account, and the other Facebook's assets you can buy here. And if you meet any technical problem, you can contact me by Telegram.